Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to do local keyword research right for your local SEO efforts. Now keywords are just the search terms that our target customers search into Google. Now fortunately when it comes to local keyword research, generally the keywords that our target customers search follow the same sort of patterns and format. To give you an example, this is a client of mine. They are a self-storage business in Yonkers, New York. If someone is looking for something locally to them, like self-storage, they're going to type self-storage and then the area that they're looking for it in or near me. So in this case, they'll be searching self-storage Yonkers, New York, self-storage near me, or maybe even self-storage. And whenever someone searches for something locally, even if they just type in self-storage, Google is going to display the local businesses near them. So we need to make sure that we find out what people are searching locally to us and how many people are searching it so we know whether we're going after the right search terms. So as I've said, there's a general format. It will be the product or service that you offer and then the location or near me, or sometimes even just the product or service that you offer. If Google knows that if someone is searching that, generally requires a local business, then they're going to show the map, i.e. the Google business profiles. Now there's a couple of ways that you can do local keyword research. You can either type in, in that case, I could type in self-storage Yonkers into SEOSpace's keyword research explorer. You could select the United States and then press search. And this is going to find all of the related keywords to self-storage Yonkers, as well as tell you how many people search it and give you different variations. Now the problem with this, you can see here that the search location is the whole of the United States or any country. What happens if there's multiple Yonkers? What happens if Yonkers is so big, we're not just aiming for people in Yonkers, we're aiming for people within a specific area. When you're doing local keyword research, you need to be more specific to make sure that you're finding what people actually search within the specific area you're looking for, and also the different variations to know that you've picked right. And in order to do this, I want you to head over to Google Ads Keyword Planner. I'll add a link to this in the description. It's a free tool from Google that allows you to do keyword research for Google Ads, which we can also use for SEO. And what you can do in this case, if you actually come to this tool here, if you click on this little pin down here, you can enter a location to include within your research. So let's just carry on running with the Yonkers example. We're going to type in Yonkers and then click include. And you can see here it's telling us the population of people that are in this area. And it's also showing us the Yonkers area. And then we're going to press save. And then we're going to add in here self-storage. So you just type in the product or service that you offer and then the specific area that you're looking to target. From there, you're going to click Get Results, and it's going to do keyword research specific to that area. You may not see this data here. This is for a third-party tool that I have installed. So you want to look at this column here, average monthly searches, and you can see that there's between 100 and 1,000 searches per month for storage units near me in the area of Yonkers. So this allows you to be really specific. You can see that people are searching for cheap storage near me, public storage near me, so this is a branded term, even climate controlled storage near me. So it allows you to be really, really specific. Now, one caveat with keyword research for local areas, if you wanted to target the keyword storage units near me, you wouldn't take this keyword, go over to the website and add storage units near me into the copy. You would just replace near me with the area that you're targeting. So your target keyword would be storage units, Yonkers. Google is smart enough to know that if you optimize your web page on your website for the service and then the location, that whenever someone is searching that service near me, they're going to match it up to that location on your website. So if someone's searching storage units near me in Yonkers, your target keyword would be storage units, Yonkers. And Google is smart enough to know that when someone is searching storage units near me, that they're looking for storage in Yonkers and it would match it up. So you shouldn't use near me keywords on your website. You should use whatever keyword it is here and then the location name. To give you another example, this is a dentist in Boynton Beach. So all I would do is I would go back to the search, I would type in dentist, I would click get results, and then I would change the location. I would remove Yonkers, I would add in Boynton Beach, include, that's the Boynton Beach area, and then I would click save. And again, this row here, the average monthly searches, will tell us that there's between 100 and 1,000 people a month that search dentist, dentist near me, dental implant, etc. in that area. So the target keyword on this web page would probably be dentist, Boynton Beach. As you can see here, dentist in Boynton Beach. So that's how you approach keyword research for local SEO. Now, Google Ads Keyword Planner also gives you some data on whether there's been a year-on-year change, 3-month change, so it can show you whether a term is increasing or reducing. So you can see that there's been a 900% increase year-on-year for the keyword dental implants in Boynton Beach. So it can also be really helpful for identifying emerging keywords, as well as also giving you the competition, just like SEOSpace's keyword research does as well. So there you are, guys. That is a walkthrough of how to do local keyword research. Hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you've got any questions, feel free to head over to the SEOSpace support channel, and I'll see you in the next video.